Okay guys, so current situation. Dean is coming home tonight and this is what his room looks like. So I'm gonna quickly clean it. Now it's not like gonna be 100% done from when he comes home because there's a lot of stuff we're getting put into it in January. So like, you know, I'll be able to film like a reveal in February hopefully. So yeah, I'm just gonna time lapse this. Hey guys, we are here in Galway. Tara's dragged me out for cocktails tonight.
Of course.
Yeah, I had my Christmas party last night and I had cocktails tonight.
I feel like we look very purple.
Well, that's because Tara's usually still like lights on her ceiling. That changed the colour of the whole room and everyone in it and everything in it. Ooh.
I think this is the perfect setting for
Dun,
what
dun,
we're about
dun,
to do.
dun, 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 dun.
Ready?
Go. Oh, I got a boomerang.
No.
No, okay.
It's already halfway. 3, 2, 1.
I actually like a little flinch there.
Let me just turn that off. There we go.
That's like it.
Oh my god, are we Antarctic?
So it's like all white behind us.
That's it for today, guys. How do I turn on?
So guys,
cheers.
these glasses are like very delicate, very
Careful
fragile.
when cheering.
There's already a crack in this one. So we'll just be like,
that one too.
there's a crack in that as well. So let's be like careful when we cheers. Well, you can see it like right here, because otherwise it'll shatter. So.
Okay, just nope, don't go so fast.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. Nice.
Cheers,
Cheers,
Fanta!
Cheers. Hey guys, so we're going to be leaving Galway now. Tara's finished work. Woo-hoo. Going home for Christmas. Driving home for Christmas. We had a good weekend in Galway. Done a lot of shopping. My card is broken. And
Your what?
Card.
Your card is broken?
Yeah, because I got a shop I don't.
Oh right. So I didn't quite get the joke.
yeah, but and yeah, I had a good Christmas party. We're having McDonald's now. I don't know if you noticed that McDonald's has like a vegan wrap. It's called the spicy veggie one, and they're also releasing a vegan meal like menu thing in January. So look out.
Are you doing what I got for Christmas?
Yeah. Yep. I am. So you have to wait and see what I get.
Well, now I'm nervous with my present. Might not make the cut.
I do apologise guys, I didn't vlog anything at all.
Vlogged before we went out last night.
Yeah, that was it. I just, you know, I had my Christmas party on the Saturday night and that was like work, so like, you know, I don't want to have my camera there, you know. And also I wouldn't ever bring my camera out on a night out anyway in case like it was stolen or I lost it or something.
Yeah.
And then I was like just not able to function Sunday. And then
he was hanging.
And then Tara dragged me out then Sunday.
No, Sunday night, yeah. I had to bring, like, just because you were dying, like, I still had to go out.
And then today I had to go around town then on my own. I wish she wasn't that hungover today, to be honest. I do look tired in my eyes, I can see on camera.
Yeah, I'm not hungover at all today. It's because I drank like 2 liters of water before bed. I literally forced myself to drink a load of water. And then you don't get one. Because we did drink a lot and we drank fast.
Yeah. She's just one drinker. She's like, come on, get.
Hurry up now.
Hurry up.
It's a race.
Me there enjoying my cocktail, like, come on, on to the next one.
No, yeah, because they were closed and I was like, come on, drink it so we can have another one.
Yeah. Actually, sorry, we met someone the last day in Marks and Spencer's. Somebody watched one of my vlogs. Yeah, it was a very amazing moment in my life.
You got recognised.
Yeah.
Paparazzi.
Yeah, so I officially made it. I can die happily now.
She was lovely.
So nice, and I'm so mad that I didn't ask her for a name. I was like, that was the day when I was like hungover, and like my last 2 brain cells were just like doing roly polies up there. They weren't functioning at all.
Yeah.
So if you're watching this, let me know your name down in the comments, because you know, I'd like to know. Oh, that's my favorite one. Hey guys, and happy Christmas! So I'm getting ready now for like Christmas Eve mass, because I decided I'm going to vlog this Christmas. I haven't done it the past 2 years, even though I said I was going to do it the past 2 years, but I just never did it because, you know, I was too preoccupied. But this year I'm going to do it, so we're going to get ready together. So I'm already like showered now, so I'm ready to go, and I have my outfit picked out. So I'm just going to put on like my BB cream because, you know, I don't want to be looking red. But yeah, life has been crazy at the minute, guys. I just haven't had a second to do anything. I was in Galway all weekend, didn't vlog a thing because, you know, I was up for my Christmas party, and like, you know, I couldn't go bring my camera to that, so I didn't vlog any of that. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a couple of pictures from it. Then I went out the next night with Tara. I went to like Butter Bar and got some cocktails. And then we went to the Roisin, got a drink, weird group of people in there, decided to leave. We then went to, I don't know, some other pub. It was really busy, and I was already kind of like hungover, so I wasn't like living for it. So then we finished there and we just went home and slept. Even though it was still like really late, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, and then the next day then I tried to get a full video edited, but like that didn't happen because just was taking too long, and I thought I would have loads of time, but like, you know, by the time you actually sit down and you edit, and then by the time you eat your lunch and everything, you know, you really don't have a lot of time, and then pack. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this on and I'll come back to you. I'm still on a high from being recognized. Like, I actually can't get over it. Like, it's just really exciting, you know. And I just want to say thank you to that lady who did recognize me. Like, you just literally made my life. So thank you for that. And I'm so sad that I didn't ask her for a name because, like, you know, my brain wasn't there. And last day, that was on a Sunday, I went into Marks and Spencer's because I was really craving like Percy Pigs. I know it's a weird craving, but like I really was. So we went in there and she seen us and she was like, by any chance are you on YouTube? And I was like, I am, yeah. And then she was like, I think I watched one of your vlogs. And I was like, in my mind, I was like screaming, because like, and then yeah, it's just crazy. It's just crazy. I can't get over it. Like, it's crazy. So my outfit for tonight is very simple. I'm reusing my 2 dresses I wore to the Christmas party because I'm not spending that much on a pair of trousers and not wearing them more than once. So I'm going to be wearing them again tonight, and I'm going to wear Chelsea boots with them instead because I don't wear loafers to Christmas Eve mass because I'm not that extra. So I'll check back to you when I start to assemble my outfit. What is this? Like, this is like a common thing now in all my vlogs. I always mention this here. If any of you know any like causes of this, I'd love to know, so please, you know, let me know down below. Okay, this is the outfit. Don't know how it's gonna look, but we'll put it on now, we'll see. So, and we're dressed. What I'm wearing is these navy, I'm trying to make the music down. navy corduroy trousers. These are the ones I wore to the Christmas party. I did like bottoms like tailored because you know my ankles are like too out of proportion for my body. Black turtleneck, black fur coat. My prized possession. And that is it. Hey guys, Dean's opened his Christmas present from me. He's cheating because he already opened one. What do you think it is?
Put that on my face.
Because like realistically, I had to open one before Christmas Eve, so.
Oh, fucking shit.
I told him to wait till tomorrow so he could open the two of them at the same time, but.
Tasty.
Do you like it or not?
We'll turn off the fucking camera.
This is what I got. The one on the top. That's what I got. The one on the top.
Did you get link stick for me, did you?
No. Guys, look what Tara and her mum got me. A vegan hamper! I actually can't. I am going to open this up now and eat some of it because, oh my god, and there's wine in it. This is too much. This is actually too much. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. This is too much. This is actually too much. Okay. But I can't control myself. Wow, this chocolate fudge, protein flapjacks, lentil crisp. Oh my god, what is this? Garlic and herb. Oh my god, I can't. This is too much. Chocolate. Pasta, cheddar, crumb strips. Oh my god, and crackers and mulled wine. And what's this? Red pesto. Oh my god. Oh my god. Tara. This is too much. This is. Oh, I actually can't. I can't. This is too much. Okay, and then also Tara got me this. I'm going to open it off camera and I'm going to show you then the what I got for Christmas video. So, stay tuned. Okay guys, this is my current situation. I'm having these crackers with the creamy garlic and herb. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. And that's what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm going to do later. I might be going to Tara's, don't know. She's having, oh my god, I almost dropped it. She's having a Christmas Eve party. Don't know if I'm going yet. We'll see how I feel later, if I'm still awake. And yeah. This is all I wanted. Happy Christmas.
I hope it's the right one.
Well, obviously there's only like one version of it. Oh, I can't actually contain my excitement. I can't. Oh, okay.
But let's just lock this back to her. You like them new?
Okay, right. Oh, Dina, you ready for this? Oh my gosh. I'm dead. I'm actually dead. I'm dead. Where's my stuff? Oh my gosh. Right. Chill. You know it isn't. Just really I know. That's a comfortable. Oh my gosh.
Why it's so big?
Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I'm just here chilling. I was editing a video and I went to Rihanna's, hold on, I'm carry covering the mic, Rihanna's page. Okay, so she put up this video like last week and she captioned it, "When they leave you home alone with Alexa." But look at the caption, what it is right now. Update, me listening to R9 by myself and refusing to release it. If this girl doesn't like cop on, oh my god. Sorry, my camera won't focus there, but if this girl doesn't like release this album, I am gonna be very upset. Like, you can't cheat us like this. Like, this is not right. It's not fair. So Rihanna, please release the album. You know, if you're to do it on New Year's, I won't mind. I won't be mad. Like, just release it this year. You know, because you promised. You promised. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. My Alexa. Okay, right. Alexa, play Rihanna.
Playing songs by Rihanna from Spotify.
Alexa, volume up maximum. Okay, so I'm about to go get ready now, but I'm just gonna make myself a drink whilst I'm getting ready. Enjoy. Ooh. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this. It's like shirt, white t-shirt, black jeans, Chelsea boots, and then like gonna put on this like, you know, shirt and kind of coat over it when we go out, just so I don't get cold. And it's a very simple outfit. Like, you know, don't really care that much, to be honest, tonight. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm here with Tara and Dean. We're just having a few drinks before we go out, because, you know, that's how it is, isn't it? I'm drinking Prosecco. Tara looks fucking gorgeous. You can't deny that.
Thanks.
Like, beautiful. Like, Tara, you're so beautiful. Like, you are so beautiful.
Stop.
And my hair's a mess, but like, I'll see you in a bit. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.